Only got 1 second left.
Got 2 seconds left.
I'm gonna use my last one. Yeah, they're still like in that direction.
Like way out there.
No, they're close.
I see him. I hit him. Did you hit somebody else?
No.
Actually, I hit him.
I'm trying to extract.
I'll get up there.
Ow. Well, if we get behind the boat, they can't see us.
Oh, I got zombies. One's in the bush, and the other one's out further.
I'm gonna try to start extraction.
Okay. Okay, fine.
20.
Alright.
15.
15k.
10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh,
you get
I'm
in?
so dead. No.
Oh, fuck. You got this.
Alright, I got one.
Just get out of there, playa.
I'm
How many seconds?
20.
Oh my god, dude.
Meow! Meow meow!
I'm guessing you escaped.